Hi, my name is Neasa O'Connor and I'm the International Manager here for the College of Science, Engineering and Food Science in University College Cork, Ireland. And today I just want to give you a quick little overview of all the masters available to you and why come study STEM at University College Cork. So first of all, I just want to give you an overview of our structure. We have 9 amazing academic units affiliated with our college, our faculty. So the School of Chemistry, Department of Physics, the School of Biological, Environmental and Earth Sciences, Mathematical Sciences, School of Engineering and Architecture, the School of Computer Science and Information Technology, the School of Food and Nutritional Sciences, School of Microbiology, and of course the School of Biochemistry and Cell Biology. So right across the board, we have amazing programs to offer you. Why study STEM at UCC? UCC is the #1 university for industry engagement. We have 24 STEM research centres and institutes. We are the #1 university for research income. We're also the world's first university to be awarded a green flag, and sustainability and the green initiative is embedded across our college, but also our university. Huge amount of research going on in the sustainability field to also combat climate change. And you should really check it out if that's something of interest to you. We are also located at the center of Europe's biotechnology and ICT industries. A huge piece to me is the STEM community. That's a picture of our leader here, Professor Sarah Collety. She's an amazingly supportive leader, and her goal is to drive that this college is the destination for STEM students that they want to study in and that staff want to be here as well. And she is striving to have an incredibly supportive atmosphere for both staff and students. And it really shows. It's an incredibly embracive community. And what I hear back from students is the dedicated attention that they are getting is really something that they really kind of, I suppose, are proud of and delighted to have, especially from students coming from all over the world and the diverse body of students that we have. We have an amazing group of societies for students to join that can embed you further into the STEM community as well. Research at UCC, it's definitely one of the selling points for you if you're interested in science, engineering or food science. We are the leading university for research innovation and commercialization. We are committed to transferring discoveries from the research lab to industry, and it shows because the amount of startups that we have coming out of the university through our startup program, which is called Ignite. UCC offers one of the broadest ranges of research capabilities on a single campus in Ireland. Just an example of some of our research centres: the Insight Centre for Data Analytics, so Tyndall, the National Institute Centre, APC, Alimentary Pharmabiotics Centre, and also the MARI and ERI, which are all about renewable energy and sustainability. So there's so much opportunities if you want to come get involved in a master's and pursue your career in research. We have a huge amount of postgraduate streams. So this is our 6 streams here. So what I would like to call the life sciences, which is the pharma, biology or chemistry routes, engineering, food science, environmental, mathematics, and computer science. And within these streams, then we have a lot of different engineering like options. We have, let's say, for example, electrical and electronic engineering, mechanical, sustainable, pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical engineering, or in the life science suite, we have a total of 6 different masters involved here. In the environmental suite, we have the marine biology, environmental geosciences. Obviously, Ireland is extremely strong for the tech companies. So we, of course, have amazing, really strong delivery computer science and data science masters. But we also have an interactive media masters, which is a conversion program for students interested in getting that real technology masters under their belt who don't come from a computer science or IT background. We have amazing masters in food microbiology and food science and technology. And of course, last but not least, the mathematical masters. So financial and computational mathematics, mathematical modeling and machine learning also. So right across the board, that's what I'm saying to you. No matter what kind of background you're coming from in the STEM field, we have masters to really kind of push you ahead into the job and career or the research area that you want to be involved in. And to touch just briefly on the job sector, which I think is so important, particularly at the moment, because Ireland is really well known for the technology and software companies, but sometimes it's not as well known to be aware how much companies are in the pharmaceutical, biotechnology, and medical device sector. You can see down around Cork, we've Pfizer, we've Eli Lilly, we've Janssen on our doorstep, MSD. There's so many job opportunities. And Cork, where University College Cork is based, is known as the life sciences hub in Ireland, okay? And I have another opportunity for you to learn more about this as well. Agri-food economy in Ireland. So this is really all about if you're coming from an engineering background or you're coming from, for example, the food microbiology masters that you want to do, or the food science masters. These masters are driven, I suppose, with the job opportunities that is available because of our robust agri-food economy. Okay, our agri-food industry is a key component to our economy and responsible for a major proportion of exports of Irish-owned enterprises. And our products are sold in over 170 markets around the world. A lot of you will know of, let's say, Danone or Kerry Group or Glanbia. These are some of the Irish food giants that are available. Also, we have an annual food output that exceeds 16 million, and the sector contributes 7 billion in exports. So if you're interested in this area, amazing job opportunities. So it's not just the IT and tech sector. We have a robust food economy and robust food industry, pharma, biotechnology, and medical devices. But of course, I will give you a little bit of information about the tech sector too. Over 40,000 employed in this sector, the top 5 global software companies, the top 3 global enterprise, 9 of the top 10 US technology companies, and 4 out of the top 5 IT service companies. And to finish up, I just want to give you an overview of why STEM at UCC. Number one, the research, the amazing research centers that you have in UCC and within your fields, and that we are the leading university for research income, the career opportunities. I hope I've shown you today that it is not just the IT or tech sector that Ireland's traditionally known for, but we have career opportunities in the food industry, in the environmental industry, in life sciences, in pharma. There's so much multinational companies crying out for you once you graduate from our masters. We are the leading university for industry engagement. So your masters, you know, is informed by curriculum that the industry has been feeding into. Sustainability is key to our university ethos. It's key and embedded across all our different faculties and colleges and schools. And it's really embedded within the curriculum of so many of our masters. And that has to be important to you because you want to choose a university that mirrors the belief that you have an ethos in the future that is more sustainable. And really, to finish up, I suppose you can become part of a community, but within UCC and within the College of Science and Engineering, but also when you graduate, you can be involved in jobs that really make a difference, that solve society's issues like COVID-19, climate change, what we're facing. And in that way, you can actually then, transition from the community you've been in UCC into really helping your local community or your national community, whether you're from Ireland or anywhere in the world. So look, thank you so much for listening. Next steps, check out our website, see what programs we have, get in touch. We are so happy to help you any way we can. Okay.